In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends to join your Facebook Live. Now, to get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and click on the What's on Your Mind section of your Facebook account. And here, go ahead and click on the live video button, which you'll find below the check-in button. Now, in here, go ahead and click on this person with a plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, in here, you can search for the guest that you want to invite to join with you on your Facebook Live. You can simply search from your followers and friends, and you can also select from the suggested friends and followers that you have for this list. Just go ahead and hit on the checkbox for the individual that you want to invite to join with you on your Facebook Live. Now, once you have checked that individual, you can just go ahead and click on the Go Live button, which you'll find at the middle of your screen once you have done selecting a guest to join your live. Just go ahead and select a guest or click the X and click the Go Live button to proceed on going live on your Facebook account. And that's how you can simply invite someone to join you on your Facebook Live. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.